Hi guys, what you're seeing right now is not a future concept dressed up in renderings. It's flying now. Video clips from test runs show the Airbike moving across forest mountains and dry lake beds, lifting off and landing unaided. Unlike many vaporware prototypes in the last decade, this machine isn't talking about possibilities. We're watching it actually fly now. Here's a Star Wars-styled Airbike capable of flying at almost 125 miles per hour. The Volonaut Airbike may be the first hoverbike to actually come on the market. Developed in Poland by Jetson One creator Tomasz Patan, this single-seat jet-powered airplane uses no gimmicks and goes straight into the realm of mechanical design. At first glance, it looks unfinished. A floating core with no wings, no propellers, and no excess surfaces. Just a solid structural pod containing propulsion, balance control, and rider support. The underside looks like a reinforced sketch. Angular struts serve as landing gear, formed from what looks like bent composite tubes. There is no visible suspension or modular mounting points. Everything works for weight, stability, and flight. Posture tells the rest of the story. The rider reclines, legs tied around a center frame, arms down and forward. This position is reminiscent of a superbike, but in a hovering state. There is no cover surrounding the pilot. There are no canopies or side fairings to obstruct the view. Every horizon remains visible. At night, the design is even sharper. Thin vertical strips of light trace the rear struts, glowing red like moving guide rails. This is not for show. These lights aid tracking and flight footage and situational awareness for other observers. When it flies, it doesn't hover like a drone. It punches into the air. Dust shoots up from underneath it, blown away by the directional thrust of the jets. Its lift and thrust come from a closed jet system that Volonaut has yet to fully detail. The structure weighs a lot less than you might expect. According to Volonaut, it weighs 7 times less than a motorcycle. The jet, frame, the pilot. The rest is vapor and terrain. Whatever happens, it's a cool, futuristic project, just in time for Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you.